How to enable dark mode on all websites in Brave browser. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application and search for Brave web browser over here. As you can see on the screen, I've already installed the application, so I'm going to tap on open. Now as you tap on open, it will land you to the user interface of web browser. Now all you have to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings option over here. As you tap on settings, it will land you to the settings page over here. So just scroll down, and as you tap on the display category, you can see the option of appearance. So tap on appearance and then tap on the theme option, which is at the bottom of the screen. So tap on theme, and here you can select on dark. As you tap on dark, just you can go back, and there you go, you have enabled dark mode on all websites in Brave browser. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.